story, they'll sit in other heads. I'll tell you all my secrets, and you tell all your friends. Hold on to your opinions, and stand by what you said. In the end it's my decision, so it's my fault when it ends.